everyone, you are welcome to my channel LifestyleTv Lifestyle TV. Today guys, I want to try a new recipe. This recipe I have not seen it before, I have not tried it before, which is carrot egg sauce. Okay, here I have my seed tomatoes, here I have my tin tomatoes, here I also have sliced tomatoes inside, and I have my carrot. But all these are no for me. Okay, all these are no for me. Let's try this and see how it goes. Okay guys, but I'm going to eat this carrot egg sauce with this, which is potato, okay, patata in Italy. I'm going to eat it with this. Okay guys, I also have some ingredients such as red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I also have some crayfish, my ground oil, my non-maggi, which I bought in the African shop. Some other ingredients are going to come later, such as salt, curry, and all that. Okay, so guys, let's try this new recipe and see the outcome. Okay, there's no harm in trying. All this wonderful recipe you see today, it started one day. One person just tried it and boom, everybody start trying it. Okay guys, all right, we all know that carrot has a lot of nutrients. If you don't know, now you know. You can do your research. Okay, bye.